mafuta oyo kalituusa yako mumanyi
Era mu bidomola. Era mu bidomola.
Amutanka yayo.
Kino
tusumululawo otunuza wali ali basalawo bazikizwa mu mayumba agategaliranye wabakuta omuliro nga bali mu kuzikiriza ebyawedde
kisa gyamaanyi okuba nti twokyerwako ebibanda byaffe nga kyekibadde ekikolero ky'abaana baffe ne bakolera tunyoleddwa
guvudde ku kyomuliro ekibanda kya kikoola guvudde yaitazadde shoteji y'amasanyalaze gujja nga gulanda naye nga gavumenti ya Uganda ekyalinda era n'emmotoka ya wakisi ya tanka yeyayambi nnyo
Muliro bagatu byabazikiza balete motoka y'amazzi nga tali mu mazzi abagamba akutanga basete kulo batwala nga amazzi mwega balekere mu mazzi bayamba bayamba mu kusirwa twagala omuvuzi wa polisi obayagala abayise okwogerako gye muli ayogere nga nape wetuyi
nandigumintiriza polisi nekola ogwayo nekola nga yo bekozesa exps yayo naye abantu bo bekyaye balowoozeza nti enyumba kyebakola kyekiyamba ki kyekinayamba enyumba eri yebyo bekyawe tebamanyi polisi kyebadde erina kukola kati yebadde ezikiza oludda luno bo basazeewo ku abantu kwekyawa ne basikayo olukoba biki balowooza nti ennyumba eri ekyakola ki ekyajja
Kayunga Central. Upon receiving that report of fire outbreak, we dispatched a team of fire brigades. Those are the people who fight fire and they put it off. We dispatched and they responded immediately. But on reaching on ground, they found 2 video orbs at a very hot fire. And those video orbs, one belonged to Hydro Factory and one belonged to Kato. And even some other makeshift skills at a very hot fire. And our fire brigade, they managed to put out the fire, and things were under control, because it would have escalated to other buildings, which we would have registered losses, but we thank them very much because through their efforts they managed to put out the fire, and a lot of properties were saved. That building were there were very many buildings around nearby there, of which, if they were not to put fire, we would have registered very many losses. So that's what happened. They put out the fire. Then we established, after putting the fire, they established the cause of the fire. That it came as a result of short circuit, which resulted from the meter box. So what that was the cause of the fire upon establishment by the fire brigades after putting out the fire. People who come and connect wire our houses, some are not qualified, others are learned on job. They just see a friend doing this and this, then tomorrow they also try. So if when you call such a person comes and wire your house when he's not a qualified person, they do make a lot of mistakes. So I appeal to the community, if you want to wire your houses, please go to member office so that they give you a qualified person to come and establish. Because for them they first do the ground survey. But this one whereby you hire them because they are trained on job, they have no certificate, and they just come and do anything. They do so they work. Even the materials they use, sometimes they are very weak. But if you go to a qualified person, will advise you, this one needs the material to be wired here, which is at least 2